Ay, Kisaku. Cat, we have another different letter here. Are you serious right now? Shh. S, calm down. You don't want to race like that just like a take free. You're right. Thanks you. Anyways, who's the full letter now? P! Oh, I'm just being disappointed because B is it's out fishing right now. Sorry, I don't have the footage. And also, I'm gonna tell you guys, now the quadboard guy. Oh, we have the quadboard guy? Awesome. Anyways, we'll just wait for B to come back, and then we'll do take 22. Okay, no mess ups. Never mind, cat. Oh my gosh, I got it to the anti-piracy screen. You know what? Forget this blooper. Let's move on to the anti-piracy screen, and then we'll do take 23. Cat, we have another different letter here. Well, who is it? L. Oh, I'm just A's replacement because he's a Ferris with G. Hey G, I'm so glad you get it off this fair. I agree. Do what Peter say about you? It's okay. We'll just wait for 8 to come back, and then we'll do take 25. Oh my goodness, Cat, we got another defibrillator. And what defibrillator this time? Hi clown, what are you doing here in the studio? And what happened to W? Because he's not feel so good right now. I do have a footage. It's okay. We'll just wait for W to come back and Inigo to take 25. Cut! Why you guys like that? Because it's almost the end of the movie. Wow, I didn't notice that it's almost the end. Okay, take 26 is gonna be the last one. Hey guys, guess what? It's the end. Yeah! Psh. Oh, it's a letter this time. Dear Subway, I am so glad that you've reached the end of movie 1. Now I would like to make Nelson's Subway logo bloopers too. Love T. Alright guys, that's the end of the movie and that's a wrap. Let's help give the credits and ideas.